if I told you your relationship can improve in just 24 hours? Imagine not needing months of therapy or expensive trips. It's possible because connection can return. Today, I'll show you 5 simple actions to strengthen your relationship. These actions work whether you're dating, married, or rebuilding trust. Let's dive in. First, be fully present for 10 undistracted minutes. Put your phone away. No scrolling, no replying, and no TV. Just look into each other's eyes. Listen deeply and give your full attention. Ask simple questions. Examples include, "How are you really doing?" or "What's been heavy on your heart lately?" Relationships often struggle not from hatred, but from a lack of attention. Presence says, "You matter to me." Next, say one honest appreciation out loud. This isn't a mere compliment. Instead of saying, "You look nice," try saying, "I appreciate how you always show up, even when you're tired." People need to feel seen to feel stronger in love. One sincere appreciation can melt a guarded heart. Now, take responsibility for one thing. No defending or saying, "But you also," just own up. Say, "I realize I've been distant," or "I'm sorry for how I spoke to you." Ownership heals faster than explanations. Growth happens when ego steps down and humility steps up. Then, do one small act of love without announcing it. Make the bed, send a thoughtful message, or buy their favorite snack. Don't make a fuss or expect praise. Love is strongest when it's given freely. Small actions done sincerely speak louder than big promises. Finally, end the day with hope, not tension. Before sleeping, say something uplifting like, "I'm grateful we're trying," or "I'm glad you're here." These last words sit with your partner's heart all night long. Strong relationships aren't built in one conversation, but can be strengthened in one day. If this helped you, share it with someone you love. Remember, connection is a daily choice you make.